Toyota electric SUV, its first global electric vehicle, is bound to be unveiled at Shanghai Auto Show in April. The near production concept is about the size of Toyota's top-selling RAV4 car. This is going to be one of the most serious challenges for Tesla, I think. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up, and also like this video if this information is helpful. And if you would like to support us, send us an upload that you see on your screen next to the like button. In December 2020, Toyota held an encompassing event called the TME, Toyota Motor Europe, Kenshiki Forum. There, officials talked about various things from the mission to produce happiness for all via the company's new business transformation to its electromobility future. The latter part included news on Toyota's goal to accelerate the hydrogen society by making its cutting-edge fuel cell technology available to commercial partners through the newly established European Fuel Cell Business Group. And even more importantly, it also previewed its first e-TNGA battery electric vehicle model, a battery-equipped sport utility vehicle. It's spelled e-TNGA, e-TNGA. What we didn't know then was the exact moment the SUV, Toyota's first electric SUV, would go live. That's a thing for the history, though, because the Japanese automaker has released a new teaser image accompanied by the all-important details about the exact venue of the premiere, the 2021 Shanghai Motor Show. A Toyota concept at the next month's Shanghai Motor Show will preview an upcoming electric SUV kickstarting what will be a fast expanding range of electric vehicles in Toyota. Toyota's first electric vehicle, Toyota's first electric SUV. The as yet unnamed model will be similar in size to Toyota's RAV4, although as a dedicated battery electric vehicle on a dedicated architecture, it's set to take a new name. Toyota says the SUV has been tailored specifically for the European market and will be built at its dedicated zero-emission factory in Japan. According to Autocar's James Atwood, the SUV will be the first of 6 battery electric vehicles planned to use the name e-TNGA platform that Toyota has co-developed with Subaru. This new architecture is designed to be highly adaptable and can be used for vehicles of differing length and wheelbase. It can also be used for front, rear, and four-wheel drive powertrains by allowing 4 motors across both axles and with a wide range of battery capacities. Toyota also claims that the learnings from its hybrids will allow it to increase both range and battery lifespan. A little bit later, I'm going to talk about Toyota's solid-state batteries. That's how Toyota may do it. Toyota's European product development boss, Andrea Garlucci, said the new car will be quote-unquote very European in the DNA and design. He explained that the RAV4-sized SUV was chosen for Toyota's first battery electric vehicle because the car will be a global model and it offers the best balance together the needs of all regions. He added, it's quite obvious that there is volume in more compact models, and this is where we will look in the future with other models for the European market. Toyota has previously said that other models planned for the e-TNGA electric platform will include a compact SUV that it's developing with Suzuki, a crossover, a large SUV, a salon, and an MPV. Toyota is also investing in solid-state battery research and has said that it plans to launch a mass-produced battery electric vehicle using this transformative technology in the first half of 2020s. Toyota stands at the top of the global heap with over 10,000 patents involving solid-state batteries. Nissan Motor plans to develop its own solid-state battery, which will power a non-simulation vehicle by 2028. The shift toward the new battery technology will also have an effect on companies further down the supply chain. Japanese auto materials makers are rushing to set up the necessary infrastructure to supply automakers. Mitsui Mining and Smelting, commonly known as Mitsui Kinzoku, will start up a pilot facility that will make solid electrolytes for the batteries, Nikkei Asia reported back in December. The production site, located at the Research and Development Center at Saitama Prefecture, will be able to produce dozens of tons of solid electrolyte annually starting in 2021, this year, enough to fulfill orders for prototypes. Oil company Idemitsu Kosan is installing solid electrolyte production equipment at its Chiba prefecture site with the aim of beginning operation this year in 2021. And even oil companies in Japan do that. Manufacturing solid electrolytes requires solidifying sulfides, which is a specialty for the metal and chemical industry. Sumitomo Chemical is developing materials as well. Japanese manufacturers like Sony and Panasonic have been pioneering in commercializing battery cells for vehicles. But since the late 2000s, Chinese rivals have emerged to prominence. Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited, also known as CATL, is now the world's largest supplier of lithium-ion batteries. We don't know with this RAV4-sized electric SUV e-TNGA Toyota will use solid-state or lithium-ion batteries. Japanese Asahi Kasei, once the global leader in battery separator material, gave up the crown last year to Shanghai Energy. As well as the new electric SUV, Toyota will also launch battery electric version of its Proace and Proace City vans in 2021. While the arrival of the e-TNGA based models will quickly flesh out the Toyota battery vehicle offerings, the firm remains committed to offering a range of electrified options with hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and hydrogen fuel cell models. It aims to be selling 5.5 million electrified cars per year by 2025. In Europe, Toyota is planning to launch more than 60 new or updated electrified models by 2025. By that date, it expects more than 70% of its sales to be hybrid models with PHEV and BEV and FSEVs accounting for slightly more than 10% each. The new electric SUV will also join a fast expanding SUV lineup, along with the similarly sized RAV4 offered with hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. Toyota's crossover range now includes the Yaris Cross, CHR, Highlander, and Land Cruiser. Toyota's preview image intentionally keeps the concept full design hidden for this Chinese Shanghai show. Remove the blue sheet, pray off the body, and you'll find the modular e-TNGA platform designed by Toyota and Subaru to underpin a full range of electric vehicles, writes Autoblog's Ronan Glon. Engineers can tweak its width, its length, its wheelbase, and in its height in the architecture can accommodate Frontier or all-wheel drive. Additional specifications like range haven't been released yet. Held biennially, the Shanghai Auto Show will open its doors to the press on April 19, so we expect to see Toyota's electric concept car in about a month. Just be patient until then, friends. It will make the transition into a production model in the coming years or maybe next year. Things are speeding up right now. When it arrives, it will compete against the Volkswagen ID4, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, and the Tesla Model Y, among other models. Toyota's move into the electric car space is a little surprising. In December 2020, company boss Akio Toyoda candidly spoke out against the electric-only future that regulators around the world are pushing the industry towards. The more EVs we build, the worse carbon dioxide gets, Toyota said during a conference, adding that phasing out the internal combustion engine in the 2030s, like Japan's plans do, will make car ownership unattainable for many. Do you agree with that statement? He is a smart man, but I don't personally agree with that statement because so other many companies are successfully moving toward the electrification. The battery research is increasing, and I'm really looking forward the challenge that Toyota is throwing against other car makers, especially Tesla Model Y and Tesla, and hopes to make 5.5 million electric vehicles by 2025. Friends, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, as well as like this video and give us thumbs up if the information was useful. And if you would like to support our channel, please send us an upload that you see on your screen next to the like and dislike buttons. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report. I look forward to reading your comments.